Hey traders, good morning. Time to start our live stream, and I already see 7 members here. It is nice to see you traders. And yes, I'm finally back. I already see Mutu right here in the chat. I see Pao. Good morning traders, good morning. And the first thing that I wanted to say is that watching how the market was trading while I was absent, the market was very slow. The market was very weak, and we didn't really miss the trades. I guess we missed around just 2 trades, one loser, one winner. So it is not that sad. So after a very nice trading week, when I decided to take a break, the market I decided to take a break as well, and definitely it is very good. And when I was preparing to this live stream this morning, I was really struggling to find any pair, any instrument for our today's discussion. Still, I have some pairs for you to show. I have active trade right now on pound Swiss. We will take a look at this one together. Yes, it is right now trading around the entry level, so you can take this trade with me as well. Yes, we will discuss the trading opportunity on pound Aussie pair. We'll discuss potential shorting on pound cat, and then I will answer your questions. Remember, traders, here on YouTube we have the live chat. There you can ask your questions. There you can ask me to analyze any pair, any instrument that you want. So don't be shy. Yes, and write your question in a live chat. Nice to see Primus. Good morning, bro. Good morning. Thank you for being here with me. So let's start our today's live stream with pound Swiss pair. On a pound Swiss pair, I'm currently holding a short trade. The fact is that the pair is trading in a bearish trend. You can see that for a quite long period of time, the market is falling. And here I spotted this falling trend line. Yes, you can see that here we have a major falling trend line, respected many times in a row in the past. Yes, 1, 2, 3 times in a row it was respected. And look how the price reacted to the trend line once it was reached. We formed multiple rejections right here. Yes, the market became weak, the market became indecisive, and you can see that for now bulls didn't manage to violate that trend line. Then analyzing the lower time frames. On lower time frames, what I spotted is this rising wedge pattern on the 4-hour time frame. And moreover, within that wedge, what I spotted is a double top formation. Yes, double top right here. And the price violated the neckline of this double top to the downside as well. So I shorted the pair. I opened my short position on a retest of a broken neckline of a double top. I set my stop loss above the highs of this double top formation. And my initial target is right here. Yes, that structure. I believe that here we have a quite strong structure support. So from that point, I will start protection of my trading position. Yes, and I will close 50% of profits once this level is reached. And my break-even point is just slightly higher. Yes, it is around 124 for 2 levels. So you can see that the break-even point is very close to our initial target. And then the second target will be the retest of our structure low right here. So you can see that here we can have a very nice short trade. Yes, it is, the market right now is perfectly trading on the entry level. So if you are not in, you can open a short position right now. If you are looking for some extra confirmation, then you can watch this triangle here, or tiny little triangle on a 4-hour time frame, and you can look for the bearish breakout of its support to the downside as your trigger. Yes, so you can be a bit more conservative and wait for the extra confirmation, or open short position is I did, and let's hope that we will make some money right here. Let me know, traders, if everything is clear with this trade. Let me know if you want to ask me something concerning this trading setup. By the way, traders, do you remember this great long trade on Swiss yen? Yes, on Swiss yen pair. Finally, our first target is reached. Yes, while I was absent, I was holding this trade and it reached our first target. Yes, so right now the position is risk free. Yes, right now the stop is moved to entry and we are patiently waiting for a bullish continuation to our second target. So you can see that here we were waiting really for a very long period of time. Yes, we opened our long position right here and it took 9 days for the 9 trading days for the price to reach our first target. Yes, very long, but patience pays. Yes. Then I wanted to show you very nice potential pullback trade on pound cat. On a pound cat pair, look what I spotted. On a pound cat pair, I spotted a key level. Here you can see that we have a strong horizontal key level, respected many times in the past. Yes, it was a very strong support. After the breakout, it turned into a very strong resistance. And we saw multiple strong reactions from the trend line. You can see that at the moment, the market is approaching the trend line again. Yes, so of course, we can look for a pullback trade from that. Analyzing how the price reacted on a 4-hour time frame, you can see that here the market formed a very nice bearish engulfing candle. Yes, then one more bearish engulfing candle. I believe that bears are willing to push right here. So if we open hourly time frame, you can see that here, zooming in the chart, we have a very nice double top formation with equal highs. Yes, here's our double top. Very cute one. Yes. The only problem with shorting this double top is the neckline. Looking left at structure, here is our neckline. Yes, you can see that here our neckline is bit different as usual. Yes, here we take into consideration the minor structure on the left. So in order to short the market, what we will look for the bearish violation of that blue area to the downside, and only then we will short on a retest. Shorting on a retest, from that point, our stop loss will lie above the tops, and our initial target will be around that structure, 179 or 71.9 level. Let me double check. Yes, let me double check briefly if we have any scary trend line right here, but it looks that we don't have any. Yeah, it looks like we don't have any. So here will be our initial target for the trade. Our break-even point will be slightly higher, around 172.1 level. Yes, based on this minor structure right here. And in case of a bearish continuation, I guess we can have a second target right here. Yes, here you can see again. Here we have some peculiar structure. So I guess our second target can be there. So we can have 3-to-1 risk to reward right here. For now, you can see that I have my alert lying below the neckline of this double top. So for now, what we are waiting is the hourly candle close below this neckline, and only then we will short the pair. Yes, let me know if everything is clear with this trade, traders. Let me know if you got the logic of this trading setup. And also, if you want me to analyze any pair, any instrument for you, just let me know in the live chat. Yes, I will be happy to do that for you. I see James right here. Good morning, bro. Good morning. Nice to see you. Nice to see Oliver. Yes, Oliver asked to analyze dollar yen. So yes, let's take a look at dollar yen together and let's check what is happening there. Dollar yen pair is very bullish. Yes, we are trading in a bullish trend, and I want to remind you that here the market is following this major rising trend line. Yes, for now the higher highs are perfectly respecting that trend line. And here we have one more trend line, so that the market is trading within this expanding wedge pattern. You can see that recently the price retested this highs, and from this highs we got a pullback. Because we are bullish, because we are trading in a bullish trend, I believe, Oliver, that the market can easily go higher. I believe that right now the goal for buyers is that trend line, and I believe that quite soon we will be there. So I'm very bullish. My outlook is very bullish, even though locally we got the breakout of this wedge pattern to the downside. Yes, I still believe that it's a moment we will see a bullish continuation in the pair. So outlook is bullish, and for now, the closest point, the closest key level that I see for trading is right here. Yes, very far. That is the closest strong structure support from where I would buy. Yes, and for now we are very close, very far from that structure. So for now, patience and bullish bias. Yeah. Nice to see Prime. Hopefully, I pronounce your name correctly. He has to analyze Pound New Zealand. Yes, let's take a look at Pound New Zealand together. Pound New Zealand is very tricky. Even though I was very bullish biased on Pound New Zealand, the problem is that we got a breakout of a trend line right here. The pair was following a major rising trend line right here. Yes, here it was quite strong rising trend line. And you can see that this trend line was broken to the downside. Yes, the price no more respects that trend line. And it is quite a bearish clue, I would say. So for now, I believe that we can go lower. The closest strong structure that I am looking at is that key level. Yes, you can see that in the daily time frame here around 2.0 structure, we have a very nice key level. So for now, I'm patiently waiting for the test of that structure in order to look for trend following trading opportunities from here. Yes, I want to see the test of that structure, and here I will look for the confirmation to buy the pair. What else do we see on Pound New Zealand? Let's check. I guess we got multiple breakouts of different trend lines. Yes, that is the fact, and it is very bearish. There is also a minor structure here on Pound New Zealand, this one. And you can look for a pullback trade from that minor structure. Your confirmation to buy will be a bullish breakout of this flag pattern. Yes, you can see that right now the market is trading within this flag formation. Yes, and in case of a test of that minor structure, yes, you can catch a pullback trade after the breakout of the flag's resistance to the upside. For now, I don't really believe in the strength of that structure. Yes, the fact is that on a daily we set a low high recently, and it means that the structure that we have here is weakening. So yeah, so it is better if you want to catch a safe trade. I would suggest waiting for the test of that structure. Yes, so be patient. I see the question from Oliver about Aussie dollar. Bro, with Aussie dollar, it is very hard to see what the hell is happening with the pair at the moment. Yes, the fact is that recently the price reached that weekly structure. Yes, we got a very strong weekly structure support right here. And by the way, as you remember, together we got a very nice long trade from that structure. And at the moment, the closest strong resistance that I see is right here. Yes, you can see that right here we have quite strong resistance level, and I will look for a pullback trade from that. And in case of a bullish breakout of that resistance to the upside, I believe we can easily go much higher. So it is very hard to make a prediction from a current perspective. Yes, we can see that this weekly structure is respected, and for now the market is perfectly retracing from that. So in case if that structure is broken, further bullish continuation will be expected. And from a current perspective, unfortunately, I don't see any trading opportunity. Yes, the market is trading quite far from key levels. Our closest resistance is right here. Our closest support is right here. So nothing to trade right here. Even for scalpers, I don't see any safe spot from where to buy or from where to sell the market. So for now, nothing to to do right here, unfortunately. Concerning Euro Swiss pair, Euro Swiss respected a key level on the weekly time frame. If we open Euro Swiss, here we can spot that the price perfectly respected that horizontal structure. Here we got a key level, and once that key level was reached, we saw a very strong bearish reaction from that. And what to expect from the pair right now? I believe that the pair will keep falling. I believe that on Euro Swiss we can expect a bearish continuation because the market right now is trading a very strong bearish trend. For now, the confirmation that you can look for to short is a bearish breakout of that structure to the downside. For now, it is a minor intraday structure, and for now, the price respects that. But in case if that support is broken to the downside, in case if we see the candle close below that, then a bearish continuation to that demand cluster will be expected. So the bias on the pair is very, very, very bearish, and the breakout of this minor structure will signify a further decline. Yes, I hope that it is clear. Your Aussie 2-hour time frame, please, says James. Your Aussie 2-hour time frame. Let's check what is on 2-hour time frame on Euro Aussie. The market is bearish right here. Yeah, the market is bearish, and for now on the 2-hour time frame, I just see that the market is trading within this falling wedge pattern. Yes, that is the only thing that we can see right here. And moreover, we can conclude that the market here is very bearish. But again, the problem with pound Aussie is that the closest key level that we see, the closest key level from where we can look for buying opportunities is right here. Yes, you can see that our closest key level is quite far. Yes, this is our closest resistance. Yes, and again, it is quite far. So our closest trading points are lying very, very far from current price levels. So unfortunately, again, nothing to do right here. I expect a bearish rally on the pair. I expect that the market soon will reach that support. But for now, I don't see any decent opportunity here on Euro Aussie. Palace says gold, please. What can we expect after reaching 1900 level? Very nice long enter, by the way. Yeah, by the way, traders, on Wednesday there was a very nice long trade on gold. Yes, actually it was the first day when I was trading after my vacation, and yeah, and it was a very nice winner. Yes, I hope that you caught this one because there we got the perfect example of the top-down trading setup. So as it was predicted, gold reached 1900 level. Yes, I want to remind you traders that gold violated the trend line here to the upside. We got a confirmed breakout, retest, and bullish continuation. And now the price is approaching that resistance. Yes, quite strong, quite strong supply area right here. And bro, we may expect, I believe that we may expect a pullback from that supply zone. However, I really want the price to reach higher levels. Yes, for shorting, I want to see the test of at least 1910 level. Yes, for now, the market still is trading below that resistance. So I want the market to go a bit higher, and then once that resistance is reached, we will look for the confirmation to short from here, catching just a minor pullback. Yes, we won't expect a major market reversal from here. We just will expect a pullback. Moreover, gold right now looks very bullish. Breakout of that major falling trend line signifies the overwhelming bullish pressure on the instrument. So I assume that in the midterm we can easily expect a bullish continuation to at least 1950 levels. Yes, so the potential for growth right here is enormous. Yes, so let's see how far it will go. And even on intraday time frames, even on hourly time frame, you can see that at the moment the market is sharply bullish. So we cannot even see that it is weakening. For now, bulls keep pushing, and I believe that we can easily go higher. Yes, so for now too early to short. Yes. Oliver says, even if Pound New Zealand broke the trend line, it still respected the last high level. That is true, yes. If we open the Pound New Zealand pair, indeed the market respected the last high level. But the problem is that here the price also set a low high. Yes, and as we know, over the formation of the low high and a bullish trend is a very, very, very important bearish clue. For that reason, even though the market remains bullish, yes, the level of the last high level doesn't look that appealing for buying. Yes, it looks like buyers are not willing to push from the structure, and for that reason a low high here was formed. Yeah, so that is what we see so far, traders. As you can see, among all major forex peers, I don't have any flagged pair. You can see that I naturally don't see any opportunity there, and unfortunately, who knows how much time the market needs to reach the key levels. Yes, the levels that are safe for us for trading. So let's see. I hope that the fundamentals will push the market today, and major peers will reach the key levels. Minor peers will reach the key levels. But for now, unfortunately, nothing to do. Yes. Also, I really like to see at least a local bullish rally on crypto. Yes, I'm happy to see that Bitcoin is again trading above the 40,000 levels. That is very nice, and hopefully soon it will keep growing. And yeah, that's it. Yes, for now, the market remains very boring. Yeah. So traders, we will see each other on Monday. I guess our live session will be at 8:15 New York. Yes, it will be announced on Sunday. Prepare your questions for the Monday's trading session. I will give you the updates for the trading setups that we discussed today. Remember that for now we have active short trade on pound Swiss pair. By the way, nice bullish candle right now, and you can see that the position right now is in a drawdown. We have a trading plan on pound cat pair. Yes, we are waiting for the neckline breakout here to short. We are watching pound Aussie pair. Yes. Sorry, I guess I forgot to analyze pound Aussie. Sorry. I also see a potential buying opportunity on pound Aussie, traders. For some reason, I forgot to analyze that with you. Pound Aussie is trading in a bullish trend. And you can see that here the high lows are perfectly respecting this rising trend line. And you can see that yesterday that trend line was reached. And on hourly time frame, the price here formed very extended double bottom formation. Yes, and this double bottom formation can even turn into into a head and shoulders pattern. So here what I'm looking for a bullish breakout of the neckline of this double bottom formation. Yes, and then I will expect a trend following movement. A trend following movement at least to 191 4 level. I believe it will be the next goal for buyers in case of a breakout. Yes, and with the stop loss lying below the bottoms, yes, here will be our initial risk reward. I guess it should be a bit bigger, 1.4. Yes, something like that. Yeah, so watch this one carefully. You can see that again I have my alert lying above the neckline. Yes, it will notify me once the price attempts to break the neckline. When the hourly candle goes above that to confirm the breakout. I don't believe, by the way, that the neckline will be broken today. I believe that we will see the action only next week, but still watch this one. And remember that in case if the price violates this trend line to the downside, in case if we see the breakout of the trend line to the downside, strong bearish movement will be expected on the pair. Yes, so that is what I see on pound Aussie. Right, viewers, thank you so much for being with me today. Thank you for asking questions. Yes, and I will talk to you on Monday. And have a very, very, very great weekend.